Hello everyone, today I'm going to show us how we can move or copy our work from one team to another team in Canva. So let's go to my designs. So I want to copy a particular design. This digital marketing course here. I want to copy it to another team. It's in a team already, but I want to copy it to another team because I can no longer use this team. The class for this team has ended. So I want to copy it to another team I've joined. So I'm going to click on the three dots and the design I want to copy. Now you can see copy to another team. So when I copy to another team, I will not choose the team I want to copy to. So I'm copying to this just one Zefax team. So I'm copying to it. I click on it and then I click on copy. So I'll allow it to load. As you can see, it's copying it. So you allow it to load completely. Okay, so it's done. So let's go to the other team and then check if it's there. So let's go to the other team. So this is the team we copied to. Just one Zefax team. So I'm going to click on it to check if it has copied successfully. Okay, so here is the team we copied it to. As you can see here. Sorry. As you can see, this is not the team we copied it to. So you're going to check if it's here now. So for you to see it, you go to all items, and you can see the digital marketing course. That's what we just copied. So you can now edit it from this team. So that is how you copy your project from one team to another. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.